Great job, sir. Dr. Hansen's offered to stay on with us for now, and I think her skills will be invaluable.
It's hard to believe I'm even here.
Great to have you, Doc. How you planning on pitching in?
Well, your medical facilities are medieval, and your science expertise is non-existent. Perhaps I could start there.
Ouch. Well, I guess you might be able to teach Stedman a thing or two. Welcome aboard, Doc.
Guess you heard the news by now, Raynor. Looks like you're back in business.
That I am, Mr. Hill. And fighting the Zerg and Dominion all at once is going to take its toll on my standing forces. You got any guns for hire?
But you know the invasion makes it a seller's market right now. Still, your bartender over there makes a hell of a Mai Tai. So, sure, I've got some mercenary contracts you might be interested in.
You're all heart, Mr. Hill.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN. We've got Kate Lockwell on remote feed from Agria, a fringe colony. Are you there, Kate? Okay, we seem to be having a sound problem with... I'm being told Emperor Mangsk is going to address us directly. Let's take you to his announcement, already in progress.
My finest military minds are being brought to bear, and it's my pleasure to announce that they'll soon be led by the hero of Taurus himself, General Horace Warfield.
Warfield? I thought he retired years ago.
General Warfield at the helm, and our finely honed Dominion military under his command, I have every confidence that this new Zerg threat will be contained very soon.
There you have it, viewers. With Warfield in command, the Zerg swarm will be defeated in no time. Up next, Raynor ups his campaign of terror just as the Zerg reappear. Coincidence? You decide after these messages.
Funny. Sometimes I still feel like a cop. Only now it's the bad guys that are in charge.
You came to the right place.
You meet Dr. Hansen yet?
Sure did. I asked that sweet thing if she'd like to give me a physical. No harm in asking, right? I think she's got her eye on some pansy ass, though.
Yeah? Who might that be?
Oh, I don't know. Some white knight kind of guy came charging down to save a colony, maybe. Damn, Jimmy. You never could read the ladies.
It sure felt good rescuing those folks. But there's millions more out there that need help, too.
We can't be everywhere at once, sir. The important thing is that we set an example and gave them hope. Every time we help folks in need, it's another step on the road to a better future.
I know, Matt. But it's been 4 years and we're still no closer to bringing Mengsk down. Now with the Zerg back in the mix, your better future needs to hurry up and get here, or there's gonna be no one left to see it.
I've heard a lot about you, Commander. The Dominion always portrayed you as a criminal, terrorist. There's more to you than it seems.
Well, with the Dominion being what it is, someone's gotta stand up for the little guy. It sure ain't gonna be Mengsk.
Doesn't seem like the Emperor cares at all. My people from Agria and displaced populations from across the sector have all fled to a refugee staging area on Meinhof. There are reports of violence and disease spreading throughout the camps, but the Emperor's done nothing.
I'll look into it, Doc.
Jim, refugee populations from across the sector have been using Meinhof as a staging point. But with so many people in close proximity, an epidemic of some kind has started sweeping through the camps. Please, my people need help. We've got to do something before it's too late.
I hear the mighty Jim Raynor's on the move, but short on funds. The planet Redstone's got the most valuable minerals around, and with the Zerg invasion, the Gilmorians backed up and left it all behind. Some enterprising men could turn a big profit there. Meet me at Redstone if you want a piece of the action. The Mo?
There it is, Jimmy. Just like Mobius said. Easy money.
I don't know. There's a lot of Protoss down there. We're gonna have to... What the?
Warning. Multiple Zerg biosignatures detected.
Ah, hell.
Them critters were just hiding underground, waiting?
No idea, but you can bet they're headed straight for our shrine.
Well, that sure complicates things. We can't fight two armies at once, partner.
With any luck, we won't have to. We only need to hold the area at the top of the shrine long enough to extract the artifact. So we'll land here and cut our way through the Protoss lines while they're busy with the Zerg. It's only a matter of time before the Zerg overwhelm the Protoss. We'd best grab the artifact and be long gone by then.
Huh? Who won? This better be... By the... Armed? You gonna give me orders?
The Zerg severely outnumber the Protoss forces. It is likely the Protoss will fall shortly.
Well, here's the plan. Then we've got to get that artifact before the Zerg overrun the whole place.
Who wants? Armed and... You gonna... SCV ready. Got it.
Warning. Protoss stalkers are gathering at our perimeter. Incoming transmission.
I got something new for you, cowboy. Marauders. The latest word in big bada-boom hardware.
I ain't sure this is the best time to be experimenting, Swan.
Best time there is. Let the Marauders loose against those stalkers and you'll see.
Aye, aye, sir.
Go on.
Wait, no. Out.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Ah! You scared me! Bad news? Woo-hoo! What's going on? Yep. Move it! SCV ready. I'm going. Go ahead. Big job. Who wants?
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Huh? SCV ready. Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? That's right. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Can't wait. 10-4. Orders received. Sure thing.
Big job, huh? Move it. Will do. Huh? Armed and ready. Looking forward to it. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Outstanding. SCV ready. By the numbers, boys. You gonna get armed and ready. That's fine. Will do. You got it. I'm on it. Sure. Roger that. Sure thing. Aye, aye, sir. Outstanding.
Warning. Incoming Zerg attack wave detected.
Will do. Who wants some? In the rear with the gear. What's going on? Roger. I'm going. By the numbers, boys.
Additional supply depots required.
Looking forward to it. Can't wait. Keep your shirt on, Spotty. 10-4. Outstanding.
Add-on complete.
Aye, aye, sir. Who wants some?
Go on.
By the numbers. You got it.
Don't leave me hanging. Sure. Got it. Oh, it's on. All count that. First round's on me. Why not?
Oh, yeah. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Who wants some? That's fine.
Got a whole lot of love. It's go time. All time that. First round's on me.
Been waiting hard. I'm on it. Gangway.
Time's a wasting. Let's do it.
Who wants some?
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Bad news?
It's go time.
Ah! You scared me!
Not enough minerals.
By the numbers. You gonna give me orders?
Don't leave me hanging. Sure. First round's on me. Believe it. It's about heavy. Got it. It's go time. Sure thing. All down that. Of course.
Who wants some? That's been waiting on you. Outstanding. Can't wait. Sure thing. Yes, sir.
Just say when. Go on. Let's do this. Of course. Sure. It's go time. said. Got it. It's about to get heavy. I'm all about that. First round on me. Believe it. Of course. Let's do it. Your time wasting. Why not? It's go time. It's about to get heavy.
Ah! You scared me! It's your dime.
Additional supply depots required.
Go ahead.
Additional supply depots required.
Big job, huh? SCV ready. This better be good. That's fine. Bad news? Yes, sir!
Additional supply depots required.
Go, go, go! Booyah! Sure. Armed and ready. By the numbers, been waiting on you. Huh? I'm going. Bad news? Uh-huh. SCV.
The doctor is in.
You gonna give me orders? Huh? SCV ready. By the numbers, boys. Affirmative.
The doctor is in.
Aye, aye, sir. 10-4. Keep your shirt on. Sure. Orders received. I'm on it. I feel ya. Yes, sir. Got it. Roger that.
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready. That's fine. Sure. Forward. Feel ya. Roger that. Why not? That's fine. Gangway. Coming. Got it. By the numbers, boys.
Got a whole lot of love.
Armed and one gun. Of course. You got it. Roger that.
You rang? That's a...
You gonna give me orders? That's fine. Sure. You got it. One some. Sure thing. And orders. Aye, aye, sir. I'm on it. Can't wait.
Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
Sure. Go, go, go! Aye, aye, sir. What the? Affirmative. Same way. Coming. Orders. Armed and ready. Who wants some? I got a crew coming down to pick up the artifact.
We got what we came for. Let's hightail it out of here. I forgot how resourceful you were, Jim. I won't make that mistake twice.
Kerrigan.